Take a moment to listen to this, because the Prophet Sallallahu, Alayhi Wassallam warned the Ummah about something so dangerous it can quietly erase years of good deeds without a person even realizing it. Now, you might be thinking, what is so serious that it could undo all my prayers, fasting, and charity? It's not theft, not even major public sins. It's something many overlook: backbiting. Here's the setup. Imagine you're at a gathering, feeling relaxed, maybe even at ease with friends. Someone mentions another person who isn't there. Suddenly, what began as casual talk slides into gossip. That's when the conflict starts, not outwardly, but in your record of deeds. Backbiting, or ghibah in Arabic, is defined in Islam as saying something behind your brother's or sister's back that they dislike. It's like a spiritual virus, subtle, easily spread, and often dismissed as harmless. But the resolution lies in awareness, realizing that these small slips of the tongue can have massive consequences. Imagine working for years to fill your bank account, only to have it emptied overnight by a hidden fee you never noticed. That's what backbiting does to your good deeds. Let me clarify, because definitions matter. In a hadith, the Prophet Sallallahu, Alayhi Wassallam explained that backbiting is mentioning something about your brother or sister that they'd hate to hear. And when the companions asked, "What if it's true?" he said, "If it's true, it's backbiting. If it's false, it becomes slander, which is even worse." Now, ask yourself, how many times have we fallen into this trap, thinking, "I'm just stating facts"? That's where the subtlety of backbiting lies. The Arabic term namima refers to tale carrying, while buhtan is slander, both are spiritual toxins that infect relationships and communities. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine once said something minor about a colleague, thinking it was harmless since it was true. Later, he learned that what seems small to us can weigh heavy on the scales with Allah. Why does Islam treat this so seriously? Because words can wound souls, and reputations are fragile. Think of your tongue as a knife. It can prepare a feast or cause a wound, depending on how you use it. So, next time you're tempted to speak about someone behind their back, remember, the line between casual comments and backbiting is thinner than we think. You might wonder, if backbiting is so easy to fall into, what hope do I have? That's a real conflict, right? Don't worry, Islam never leaves us without a way out. The Prophet Sallallahu, Alayhi Wasallam gave us the resolution. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak what is good or remain silent. This isn't just etiquette, it's a shield for your heart and your hereafter. Think of silence as a firewall. In computer security, a firewall blocks harmful data from entering your system. Similarly, holding your tongue blocks harmful words from leaving you and harming your record. And if you feel the urge to speak negatively, pause. Change the topic. Or even better, make dua for the person instead that transforms your moment of weakness into an act of worship. So let today be your reminder. Guard your tongue, shield your good deeds, and choose words that bring you closer to Allah. If this benefited you, leave a comment, share your thoughts, and subscribe to keep these reminders alive. May Allah purify our speech and grant us a good ending.